This employee of the Xinjiang Regional Ethnic Affairs Commission and Religious Affairs Bureau is checking antique books. He is the custodian of a collection of tomes, some of which are hundreds of years old.
这部古籍是我们收藏的一部《古兰经》，它是19世纪末手抄本，纸质呢是这个和田桑皮纸，封面是牛皮制的。除此之外呢，我们这部古籍它是被收录到第2批国家珍贵古籍名录的，是一部先知传。它是我们目前收藏的古籍里历史最悠久的，至今已经有230年的历史。除此之外，
Xinjiang, which has a large Muslim population, is a leader in the conservation and protection of religious books. In 1983, a leading group for the collection, collation, and publication of antique and ancient books of ethnic minorities was established in Xinjiang. And in recent years, a special, humidity-controlled library has been built. Many books are too precious or fragile to be handled, and an initiative to digitalize antique religious books means they can still be enjoyed.
近年来，中央和自治区非常重视我们的工作，拨付了上千万元资金，我们组织60余次的200余人的这个专家学者赴全疆各地搜集整理抢救我们的宗教古籍。
Not only do protection and research receive substantial support, but the young clerics also receive assistance. Subetjiang Semi, 22, dreams of becoming a cleric, just like his grandfather. In 2019, he graduated from high school and was admitted to the Xinjiang Islamic Institute, the region's best madrasa.
就是我们的课程呢分3大类，就是我们的专业课占比70%，其他课程就是30%。我们的专业课呢有俄语，还有诵读，还有一些手册之类的。我对俄语也有很感兴趣，诵读也有很感兴趣，学的也比较好。也有我们的这个国家通语言文字，还有我们的历史文化类的知识。我们班有维吾尔族，还有柯尔克族，还有哈萨克族。我们同学和老师们的相处得很好。
Subetjiang School has a library and a gymnasium, a prayer hall for practical lessons and worship, and a washroom where students and faculty perform wudu before prayers. It is clean and tidy and has hot water all year round.
我们学校在校生是1100名，每年招生。2021年全江南北江招了160名学生。我们的学生毕业出来以后，政治上靠得住，宗教上有造诣，品德上能服众，这样一批宗教教职员。
The Institute students worship every day and listen to Vayaz's sermons on Fridays. Similar scenes are seen across the region's mosques with improved facilities.